Okay, so we are still in the same chapters, Form 2, Chapter 12, Measure of Center Tendency. So now we were going to see if we have a set of group data, how to represent according to the measurement of center tendency. So we need to learn about what is model class, what is midpoint, and also how to calculate the mean. Okay, so this is the three things for this video today. So we continue. Okay, first we're going to see what is meaning of model class. Okay, model class actually is same as mod in ungroup data. Okay, that means there is the class interval with the highest frequency. So for example, okay, see, this table is a frequency table. So from this table, we can determine the model class because by using the frequency. So you see the highest frequency is 11 here. So the model class will be 40 and 44. Okay, so the model class is the class with the highest frequency. So look at another example. Okay, so this is another example. Same thing, based on the frequency table, identify what is a model class. So based on here, the highest frequency is 10. So the model class will be 70 until 79. Okay, because this class or this class interval is having the highest frequency. So remember, model class is a class interval with the highest frequency. Okay, so this is model class. That's why I say model class is something like what you have learned in the ungroup class, ungroup data that is represented by mod. Okay, then midpoint. Okay, midpoint is mean for every interval, for every class interval, okay, for every class, the middle values. Okay, midpoint is referred to each of the class. Okay, each of the class. Okay, the middle values. So every class, every different class will have a different value. So then midpoint we can calculate actually by using the limit of the class divided by 2. For example, okay, so this one, okay, so this one is only involve 5 values, isn't it? So the middle of the class interval is the middle values. Okay, so 27 middle, 32 middle, okay, 37 middle, something like the median, isn't it? The middle values. Okay, so this one midpoint will be 27, okay, 32, 37, 42, 47, 52, 57. And then you see these values actually can using calculation, that is 25 plus 29 divided by 2. You will get that is also 27. That means is they will get 54 over 2. Okay, so then you will have a midpoint 27. So and one more thing is you will see actually each of the midpoint, the difference is equal to the range. The difference between the midpoint, the difference will be equal to the range. Okay, so you see obviously, okay, it's equal to the range. So that means every time when we're finding the midpoint, we only need to find the first one and then just plus the range to get the next. We just do the addition, okay, then we can get the next values of midpoint. Okay, we go to see the next. Okay, so just now I mentioned already, there is actually sum or limit. Limit means the lower and the highest values for the class interval. Okay, just now I forget to mention. Okay, limit actually here is lowest and the highest values for the class interval. So that means, for example, this is a lower limit. Okay, then this one is a higher upper limit, upper limit. Okay, this one should be okay. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Okay, again, so means 30 is lower limit, 39 is upper limit. Okay, so now for this one, okay, we'll try to calculate the midpoint. So that means this one will give you 39 plus 30 over 2. Okay, you will have 69 divided by 2. So you will get 34 34.5. Okay, then we try to check what is the range of the class interval. Now 30 until 39. So there is actually 10 numbers. If you list out, you will get actually the range is 10 numbers. So I list out so you can see more clear. Okay, until 39. So we have 1, 2. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values. So the range is equal to the range of the class interval. This is range of the class interval equal to 10. So that means to get the next values, I just plus 10 on it. So the next values will be 44.5. And then next will be 54.5. And going to next plus another 10, 64.5 plus another 10, 74.5 plus again another 10, 84.5. So if you don't believe, you can try to calculate by using the formula lower limit plus upper limits divided by 2. I'm sure you will get the exactly values. Okay, so this is a way for me to complete the frequency table with midpoint. Okay, with midpoint. Okay, that means everything here is a midpoint. Okay, what's the meaning of midpoint just now? Midpoint is the middle values for all the interval, class interval. Sorry, this one actually wrong spelling, class interval. Okay, so every class interval you have a different midpoint. Okay, so I hope you understand for this part.